And Las Vegas Tower, United 1961.
United 1961, approach, go ahead.
Yeah, 1961, right now we'd like to declare the emergency of engine 2. Over, actually, stand by, United 1961.
Roger.
And United 1961, yeah, we like to declare emergency, engine 2 overheat, like some vectors, to troubleshoot.
United 1961, Las Vegas approach, roger. Turn left heading 060, maintain 7,000.
060, maintain 7,000, United 1961.
United 1961, you don't need to burn fuel, you just want to come back now?
Right now the overheat's gone, but we're going to run the FM real quick and we'll get right back to United 1961.
Okay, for now heading 070, 7,000 feet.
070, 7,000 feet, United 1961, thanks.
Yeah, 1961, when able, I need souls on board and fuel remaining. United 1961, when you get a chance, I need souls on board and fuel remaining.
We have 180 souls on board, and we have 5 hours and 32 minutes. United 1961.
United 1961, you cut out on time for your fuel.
5 hours and 30 minutes, United 1961.
At 1961, turn left heading 320.
Left turn heading 320, 1961.
You said 5 hours, 30 minutes? At 1961, turn left heading 270.
Left heading 270, 1961.
At 1961, you can expect the RNAV visual to runway 19er left.
Alright, put the RNAV visual 19 left, United 1961.
At 1961, turn left heading 250, when able, direct 10.
250, window direct 10, United 1961.
At 1961, the next controller is aware of your intentions. Contact him, 119.4.
119.4, United 1961. That's, approaching United 1961 with the 7,000 heading, turning to 250.
United 1961, Las Vegas approach. I know, so you got a lot going on, just whenever. Let me know if you want to do 19 left or right. Either side is available to you.
Roger that, yeah, we'll let you know once we get some information from ops. Thanks.
United 1961, copy that, sir. United 1961, you are ready to come in now, correct, sir?
Negative. And United 1961, is there a longer runway we can take? Let's say, is 8 left available? Yeah, United 1861.
United 1961, 8 left. Yes, sir, we can do that. Just going to have to do some coordination. Let me know. Just give me a couple minute heads up so we can start moving stuff around for you.
Stand by. Actually, we stand by. United 1961.
United 1961, would you like to climb, sir? I know you're only sitting at 7 there. You want to climb up a bit?
Yeah, let's go to 10,000 if that's possible. United 1961.
United 1961, come to maintain 10,000. If you want to slow it down as well, that's also approved.
Alright, Roger. Climb maintain 10,000, United 1961.
United 1961, I'm going to keep you on this heading, sir, then I'll start giving you here a box pattern. Just try to give me, like I said, a heads up on what runway, whatever you need.
Copy that, we're going to keep with 19 left, and our heading confirmed as still 7,200, climbing 10,000, United 1961.
United 1961, copy, so it is going to be 19 left, sir?
Very firm.
Copy that, sir. Are you guys ready to come in now, or we still need a few more minutes?
A couple more minutes, thank you.
Copy. United 1961, turn rating 360.
Right heading 360, 1961.
Approach Southwest 5203 with descending 13.6 on the Child 2 for 19 left.
South City 203, Las Vegas approach, roger.
And approach United 1961, we're going to maintain 8,000 for now.
United 1961, copy that. United 1961, turn rating 040.
Right turning 040, 1961.
United 1961, request direct pan for the arrival.
United 1961, turn right heading 060.
Right heading 060, United 1961.
United 1961, turn right heading 100. I'll have pin for you in just a moment.
Right heading 100, United 9660.
Southwest City 203, I'm keeping you in front of an emergency, so if you can maintain 210 or better, just keep your speed up, please.
210 or better, Southwest 5203.
Thank you. United 1961, turn right heading 130.
Right heading 130, United 1961.
United 1961, turn right heading 150.
Right heading 150, 1961.
South 2503, advising near the field, 12 o'clock, 25 miles. South City 203, advising near the field, 12 o'clock, 20 miles.
Airport's in sight, Southwest 5203.
South City 203, cleared on nav visual, running 19 left approach.
Great for the AirNav visual, 19 left, Southwest 5203.
And United 1961, we are ready for the RNAV visual 19 left.
United 1961, roger sir, turn right heading 180. I'm going to have T-pin for you here in just a moment.
Alright, right turn heading 180, T-pin in United 1961, thanks. And United 1961, like lower when able.
United 1961 is going to maintain 5,300.
5,300, United 1961.
United 1961 is going to maintain 7,000.
7,000, United 1961.
Southwest City 203, cancel approach clearance. Fly present heading maintain 6,000.
Present heading, maintain 6,000, Southwest 5203.
South City 203, I'm going to have to box you back around behind this emergency.
Roger.
United 1961, turn right direct to T-pin.
Right direct T-pin, 1961.
Want to just bring us around for 8 right, for 5203?
Southwest 28, correction, Southwest City 203, turn right heading 290.
Right heading 290, Southwest 5203.
At 1961, I got a Southwest right below you. Going to take them northbound, box them right behind you.
Roger.
United 1961, 7,000 for now, please.
Maintain 7,000, 1961.
Southwest City 203, turn right heading 330.
Right heading 330, Southwest 5203.
Southwest City 203, descend and maintain 5,300.
Send to 5,300, Southwest 5203.
United 1961 at pin, follow the, join the RNAV visual, track inbound, advise near the field, 1 o'clock and 12 miles.
Alright, at 10, join the RNAV visual, and,
just follow the track inbound, sir.
alright, that's field inside United 1961, thanks.
At 1961, you're going to follow the track inbound, you clear for the RNAV visual, running 19 left approach.
Alright, clear RNAV visual, 19 left approach, United 1961, thanks.
South City 203, turn rating 360, going to give you just a tight box pattern here.
Right heading 360, Southwest 5203.
South City 203, reduce speed to 170.
Slow 170, Southwest 5203.
United 1961, speed, your discretion, whatever you need to get down. Just verify you are established.
Alright, we're established on the approach, and we're getting down United 1961, thanks.
United 1961, contact the tower, 126.97, 2697.
2697, United 1961, thanks.
South City 203, turn rating 050.
Rating 050, Southwest 5203.
That's our United 1961 visual, 19 left.
Yeah, 1961, Los Angeles, runway 19 left for the last.
19 left for the line, 1961, thanks.